Hello, people.
Hello, people, and welcome back to the channel. This is a quick short because it's the end of the 50th celebration.
Yes, a whole 7 days, and
Whole
this is the
7
last
days.
day.
Yes. So, first of all, I want to say thanks for everybody that sent me birthday wishes.
Yes.
I truly appreciate it. I've read everyone, and I try to comment back on everyone. But real quick, I want you guys to see what's going to happen as a celebration. So, Wife for Life has baked me something interesting. This is what I'm going to be popping, but check out the grand finale. See what's happening there? Yeah, that's the birthday cake. Had to share with you guys before I cut it. One of my subscribers says it's a shame that I have to cut it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's what's going to happen. And real quick before we go, my little Junior has got me a gold box. But go to Ian and Tina. Come on, real quick to show the people what you've got me.